It's time to the light round. Good, bad, rapicals. Her name is talked about my social media clock, and my temper is what we play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time to the light round. Everybody, let's go to Steve in New York. Steve.
Hey, Big Jimmy Chill. Thank you for all you do for us. Thank you for all you do for us everyday people, every day.
Oh, thank you.
I'm in a wheelchair. This is all I can do for income. I'm on margin. I know that's not good. I own 500 shares and want to add to this. To me, it seems like a patriotic purchase as well as financial. What do you think of MP?
Okay, first I want you to do well. I want you to get off margin. MP Materials, I don't want you to buy more with margin. I think the stock, the company has convinced me, Litinsky's convinced the CEO, that it is worth more than it's selling for. I had been a little bit worried because it had doubled. I think you're fine, but please don't buy any more. You're fine with what you have. Let's go to Andrew in California. Andrew.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
So this tiny company is working to obsolete the EpiPen by putting the drug in an oral dissolving strip that you can put in your wallet. And it had a successful phase 3 trial. Have you heard of Aquestive Therapeutics?
No, I've not. But if that's what they do, I've got to be very, very interested. I have an EpiPen because of a problem I have, and that would be remarkable if we could get that. I have to do more work. Let's go to Blake in Tennessee. Blake.
Hey, Jim, it's an honor for this club member to speak to the Chill, man. And I wanted to give a belated congrats on 20 years of Mad Money, and also a special congrats to newlywed Ben Stoto.
Oh, my. That was some blowout wedding, I tell you. Lisa and I had a great time at it. Congratulations. Best wishes. Let's go to work.
Hey, I'm calling you on what was a company spun off from Honeywell, which I know the club loves. The stock's at a 52-week high, an upgrade from Morgan Stanley, and some insider buying. What are your thoughts on ticker REZI Residio?
Okay, so candidly, when it was first spun off, I was not a fan because I did not think rates were going to come down and really be good for the housing market. Now that's precisely the kind of stock that you should be buying. I've been saying to the club that Home Depot is the best stock to buy right here for the last 40 points. I like it, but I think Residio is interesting even up here. Let's go to Joe in Illinois. Joe.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Hey, a company by the name of Lens Therapeutic has a new eye drop product called Viz. They have full FDA approval and promise to rid you of your reading glasses for 10 hours. With samples of Viz shipping in October and full rollout later in Q4, is this the kind of stock where value is in the eye of the stockholder, or one where hindsight will be 20/20?
This is the kind of stock, and let's understand each other. I don't know the stock. I don't ever cuff it. I never just say on air, you know what, that sounds like good stock because that you don't deserve that and you're my boss. I will look into this one too. I think this sounds very interesting, like the EpiPen stock that we heard earlier, the replacement pen. Let's do some work. We'll come back. We'll talk to Ben Stoto, who just had those terrific nuptials. Let's go to Tom in Oregon. Tom.
Well, thanks, Jim, for taking my call. You have made me thousands. Hey, I have a good question and a good shout-out, by the way, to the railroad police all over the United States on this date of 9/11. But my question is, with the Burlington Northern bowing out of the CSX and the UP and NS and the CP and KCS, I'm wondering the CNI, the Canadian National,
I think Canadian National is way too cheap. You get that 2.7% yield. You've got very low price earnings multiple. I like Canadian Nat. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.